बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी वन पेपर में पूछे जाते हैं या किसी भी स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ वैन सैयद अहमद शहीद एंड मुजाहिद अटैक सिख फोर्सेस इन 1826 में जो है सैयद अहमद शहीद और मुजाहिद अटैक किया था सिख फोर्सेस। Before Sher Shah Suri was involved in conflict with Humayun, he was Dash of Bihar. He was Deputy Governor of Bihar. कादराबाद बैरेज was built on चिनाब in Dash. कादराबाद बैरेज जो थी वो बिल्ट हुई थी चिनाब में in 1967. Which of the following were the drawbacks of the government of the Indian Act 1858? इसका जो drawbacks था that was expenses of the Secretary of State for India and his council became burden on Indian. On November 26, 1964, the first TV station was established in the city of first TV station जो है वो establish हुआ था in the city of Lahore. The track of Pakistan Railway is 11,881 kilometer. Pakistan's GDP growth rate for the year 2017 to 18 was 0.054. According to Indus Basin Treaty, the waters of the river Chenab, the river Jhelum, and the river Indus would be used by Pakistan. China and Pakistan first signed an agreement on Gwadar in which year? In 2002. How many districts are there in Gilgit-Baltistan? That are 10. And the next is which pass connects Gilgit with China? It is situated at the height of 48 to 7 meters. That is Zagar Pass. Under whom leadership the Constitution of 1956 was passed? That is Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. In which year Sir Sayyid was transferred to Bijnour, that is in 1855. The country which supported the Pakistan movement before the emergence of Pakistan is Iran. What is the share of Balochistan in the total population of Pakistan? That is 0.0515. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू है काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा। आपको इस चैनल पर पीपीएससी इंग्लिश लेक्चर और एफपीएससी इंग्लिश लेक्चर की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी। The total numbers of receivers of Nishan-e-Haidar are 10. The number of seats in the Senate has been increased to 100. Four of the 5 rulers of the slave dynasty were important, including Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, and both A and B, Razia Begum and Balban. Which is the biggest thermal power station found in Pakistan? That is in Kot Adu. The Christian saint who began preaching in India is about 50 was Saint Thomas. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।